Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about creating the files inside the project or outside the project in Java. Which one is better? I am going to cover in this session. So let's get started. So what is the best way, guys? In Java, what is the best way of creating the files? Do you have to create the files or specify the files inside the project or outside the project? So far, till the previous session, I have specified or created the files outside the project, right? So far, in the previous sessions of this course, I have created or specified the files outside the project. Now, what about we create or specify the files inside the project? Which one is better? Inside the project is better. Why? I'm going to cover in this session. So here, if we go to this particular Eclipse IDE, and here, if I'm going to create a new class, I'll just name this class as democ or some random name with main method. And here, inside this method, if I am going to specify a file, file1 is equal to new file. Okay, if I say file1 is equal to new file, and here I need to give the path of the file. Here, as part of representing the file, I have to give the path of the file. Here, I can give the path of the file which is there in my computer machine, not in my project. Okay, I can give the path of the file which is there in my computer machine. Let me go to one location in my machine. Let's say this is a kind of location. So you see this is a path. See users. This is my computer machine, and in my computer machine, in my local machine, at this folder A, we have so many files. Let's say xyz.txt file. I want to give the path of this xyz.txt file. So for that, I'll copy this path, and here let me paste it. And in that folder A, we have the file with the name. We have the file with the name and extension xyz.txt file is there. Now in this case, hover the mouse on this file and import it from java.io package. Here we are representing the file. Here we are representing the file which is there, which is there. Here we are representing the file which is there outside the project in my computer machine, but outside the project, which is there outside the project in my computer machine. Now I can also specify or represent the files which are there in my project, okay, which are part of my project. For example, here, so for example, this is a project, right? For example, in my project, there is one file already, or I can create few more files. Let's right click on this project and create a folder. Let's say XY, otherwise files folder. You can give any name for this folder. I'm just giving the name of the folder as files. Under this files folder, I'm going to create a file. Right click on the folder and select new file. And here I'll say mno.txt file. Okay, now finish. Here the file got created. Which file? mno.txt file under the files folder got created. Now this particular file, mno.txt file or this abc.txt file, whatever the file you take, is part of the project or not? Yes, it is part of the project. Now what I can do is I can right click on this file, select properties, and I'll get this properties dialog. Under the resource thing, here you see there is a path. You can either right click and copy here, or you can select this copy option. Both will copy. Now paste it here. So here, the first one, I gave the path of the file which is there in my computer machine and outside the project. For example, xyz.txt file is not there in the project. It's not there in the project. Rather, this particular xyz.txt file is there in my computer machine. I gave the path of the file which is there in my computer machine. Now, in the second case, while representing the file as part of the file, representing the file which is there inside the project, inside the project. Okay, this mno.txt file is there in the project. So that file path I gave here. That file path I gave here, it's kind of lengthy, that's okay. So which one is better, guys? Which one is preferable? Representing the file which is there outside the project is better, or representing the file which is there inside the project is better? Let me explain that, okay? Here, I just want to show you practically that you can represent the file which is outside the project in your Java program, and also there is a way of representing the file which is there inside the project also is possible, okay? Like I showed you. But which one is better? Inside the project is better. Why? For example, Coming to the outside the project, for example, this is a project. Okay, let's say this is a project, or let's say this is your computer machine. This is your computer machine, and this is your colleagues or your friends or whoever's computer machine is there. And now this is your computer machine, and this is your friend's computer machine. Now here is your project. Here is your Java project. Now the files are there outside the project. Let's say these are few files which are there outside the project, and this particular project, Java project, is using all these files. In your computer machine, there is Java project, and this Java project is referring to these three files, let's say. Now there is one more system or computer which doesn't belong to you. It belongs to your colleague or your friends or whatever it is, relatives, whatever you call. Okay. Now you want to give this project to your colleague. Let's say this is your colleague's machine, a different machine, and you want to give this particular project to your colleague. So you shared, or your friend or colleague has copied this project into his machine somewhere here. The project came, but along with the project, will the files also will come? The files which are being referred by this project in your computer machine will also be copied? No. Here the files are not going to come. Here the Java project will try to refer to the files, but those files are not there in your not there in your friends or colleagues computer machine. They were there in your computer machine. After you shared this particular project to your colleague, right? Your colleague is unable to access these files which are there in your machine because these files are part of your machine. They are not part of the project. So when your friend or colleague copies the project, along with that files will not be copied. This is what is a problem. If you represent a file in Java programming where the particular file is there outside the project, not in your project, but outside the project in your machine, and when you share this particular project with your colleague or friend or whoever it is, they'll only get this project. They'll not get this xyz.txt file because that file is in your computer machine, not your colleagues or friends' computer machine. But the other case, if you see here also, let's say this is your computer machine inside the project example, and this is your friends or colleagues' computer machine. Now here we have a project, and as part of the inside the project only, we have these files. Let's say inside the project only, we have these files created. Now, if this particular project is shared to your friend or colleague, if this particular project is shared to your friend or colleague, okay, if your friend or colleague copies this particular project or shared project by you into his or her computer machine, along with the project, the files also, because files are also part of the project, the files will also come. Okay, so the project can refer to this particular files without any problem. Okay, the project can refer to these particular files without any problem. But in the first case where the files are outside the project, in the Java programming, if you are representing the files outside the project, when your friend or colleague copies the project given by you, the files will not be copied along with the project. Okay, only project will come because files are not part of the project, they will not come. This is what is a drawback. So which one is better guys? Inside the project is better because when your friend or colleague copies a project shared by you, along with the project, the related files also will come along with the project. That's why whenever you are writing the Java program or representing the files, it's better you create the files as part of the project. Okay. Either you create a folder under the project, under the folder you create, or directly under the project also you can create the files. Anything is fine. But try to represent the files and provide the path of the files which are part of the project, not outside the project. Okay. That's a good practice. I'm not saying that it's not possible to represent the file outside the project. It's possible, but it's not a good practice. Good practice is to represent the files which are part of the project in your Java program because when this particular project is shared to others along with the project, files also will come. That's why it's recommended, or it's a good practice to create the files inside the project. So going ahead in this particular course, I'm not going to create the files outside the project anymore. Okay, just to follow this best practice or good practice where along with the project files also should be shared, I'll be creating the files going ahead for whatever the purpose. I'm going to create that files as part of the project only, inside the project only going ahead. That's what is the reason. So it's a good practice, say, good practice to represent the files which are part of the project, which are part of the project. Okay, as these files will be copied along with the, okay, as this otherwise you can say when the project is shared to colleagues or friends, along with the project files also will be shared. Along with the project, the files will also be shared. Okay. Here, when in this case outside the project, when project is shared, okay, files won't be shared because because they are created, they are represented or specified outside the project. So these words are problem with creating or specifying or representing the files outside the project. So inside the project is better. Inside the project, creating the files or representing the files or specifying the files inside the project is better in the Java programs. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.